Okay, Ian, we're looking at the squats from today. A couple of things that I noticed. Actually, three things. We'll go back and forth. Again, I don't have the software, so this is kind of archaic, but it still works. Watch immediately on your setup. Now, by nature of doing the low bar, right there, look at where your positioning is. See how far your hips are behind you? That's not what we want. That means the chest is forward. You're kind of craning the neck. You can't see that behind the plates, but that's what's going on. So by nature of thinking, I must squat low bar for power, which is false. Your hips are behind you, which the natural tendency as you go into the hole is that you're going to drive the chest forward. So we're robbing the squat of some of that power in your hips. Now let's watch. We'll go back a little bit. Watch the setup. See how right here, as you step back, you take all these multiple steps back. I want to start working on that and cleaning that up. Less steps, less energy burnt. But again, if you look, the knees are a little loose. We just aren't 100% tight. Watch that going again.
Come on.
Chest is down. We're not completely tight. And then you go. You can see, and then the natural tendency you can see is the head is down. Now, for the Olympic lifting training, I know once you get up, you can go right to the rack. For the powerlifting, you have to show control and wait on that rack command. So I'd hate to see you get to a full meet, go through all the training that you put yourself through, and then get red lights because you didn't wait on the command. Learn to show control in training as well. Big squatting. This is no question about it. I think this is also, when you see here, what happens, see how far forward, you're even more far forward, and now we're looking down. And again, that promotes those hips shooting out in the back. So those are the things that I want to see you work on going forward. There's no need to watch that. So the big thing is making sure the hips are under you. I don't think you have to low bar squat to be a powerful squatter. I think you have to find a comfortable place to put the bar that is going to allow you to take the most advantage of your leverages. I would move that bar up even for your power training. The other thing is get those hips under you and start minimizing the steps in your setup. I'll make a list of this in email because I'd like to see you tighter when you get ready to squat. When you finish the lift, show control, then go to the rack. All right.